Hey everyone, welcome back. We're going to be opening up 3 more packs of Lorcana's Rise of the Floodborn. So, how have you guys been? I know it's been another week since the last time we opened some Lorcana packs. How are you guys' collections coming along? Have you guys been playing the game itself? What's the new, meta? I know people are still trying to figure them out. There's a lot of new strategies. There are a few staple cards that everybody uses from what I've seen online. I can kind of tell by the values of the cards as they're being sold on TCG Player and the frequency that they're sold. Yeah, since I've opened up so many packs, I have a set number of cards and I can kind of gauge what cards people are going after and I guess what people really need in their decks. Alright, so I guess we'll start off with Basil, Rapunzel, Dr. Facilier, it's Fidget, Panic, Donald Duck, Deep Sea Diver, Queen of Hearts, Robin Hood, Cheshire Cat, and our rare is Prince Charming. Ooh, okay. Our super rare, the Queen. And our cold foil, hollow foil is the Gumbo Pot. Okay, and our next pack is the Queen of Hearts. And first card is Sneezy, Jiminy Cricket, Boone, Verana, Cruella de Vil, Prince Naveen, Cogsworth, an uncommon. Here's Gaston, the baritone bully, Pinocchio on the run, and our rare is the Sorcerer's Spellbook. And our super rare, Dr. Facilier, the Fortune Teller. And our holofoil is the Dr. Facilier, Savvy Opportunist. Okay, and here we go. This is our third and last pack for today. So yeah, have you guys been opening up more packs? I've probably opened about 70 packs so far. I haven't reached 100. But I've gotten 2 enchanted cards and probably about a dozen legendary so far. And a bunch of super rares. Okay, here's Queen of Hearts, Duke Weaselton, Happy, I'm Stuck, there's Tigger, Beast, Fairy Godmother, Zero to Hero, Nick Wilde, and our rare, another Sorcerer's Spellbook. Yes, and our legendary Scar. Let's see what we got for our cold foil. Gumbo Pot. I think we've gotten, yeah, that was in the first pack also. Okay. All right, so here we go. 2 Gumbo Pot cold foils and a Doctor's Facilier. All 3 are commons too. Scar though, this is the non-foil, non-cold foil, but this card I think it was in the $20 range the last time I saw this card. I don't know if it still is or not. But yeah, all these cards will be available for sale on TCG Player. I might have some on eBay also. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, you can leave them in the comments below, or you can send me a message on TCG Player, even eBay, or Instagram. Also, I'll probably post some of these photos on there too. Post photos of some of these cards that I've pulled. But yeah, if you guys need anything, let me know. Don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.